I'm Sarah from Chicago Public Library STEAM team here with an engineering challenge. So as part of the summer learning challenge, it's building stories, right? So we are going to be building paper airplanes. Are you ready? All right, there are aeronautical engineers. These engineers, they build and they design airplanes. And so they need to think about 4 specific things that help them build or design airplanes. They are the 4 elements of flight. Gravity, weight. So if you have an airplane that pulls it down, or we have thrust that pushes forward, or drag that pulls back, or we have lift. It goes, we can push it up. All right, are you ready? Let's get started. Let's start our basic dart.
All right, so for this activity, all you need is a rectangular shape of sheet of paper like this. Any paper will do. I'm going to use construction paper. Now, first, if you look at it like this, you turn it horizontally where the long side will be like the nose of the plane, okay? All right, now I'm going to fold it in half, hamburger style. Okay, open your sheet, kind of like a book. Now use your left-hand corner right here and bring it down to the center crease, like this. Okay, you made a shape here. And then the same on your right-hand corner. Fold it down like that. There. It kind of looks like a house on a roof, right? Now I'm going to use this left hand side of the roof and I'm going to fold it towards the center crease, like this. Then I'm going to fold this side, not like this, but like that, all the way to the middle line. All right. Okay, kind of looks like an airplane, right? Now we're going to fold it in like this. And what do we need now? Yes, we're going to make our wings. And the larger the better, so let's try to fold this all the way down. Okay, and then flip it on the other side. You see the slanted line? Just try to fold it half all the way down. Okay, and then there's your basic dart.
Now, this was part of the summer learning challenge. Not only you made a discovery, the 4 elements of flight, but a crate. You made your very own paper airplane. Now, in order to complete 500 minutes of reading, you might want to check out this book, Violet the Pilot, and A Plane Goes Kazoom, and Today I Will Fly. Thank you for joining me today, and remember to check back here every week for a new activity.